Hi everybody, it's Kevin Piqua here from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we have featured a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Limited Hybrid. This is a hybrid, folks. This exterior color is called a velvet red. It is stock number 28149T. This is a plug-in hybrid. Show you where you can plug it in. You just push this little thing, opens up to your little plug. Again, velvet red, real pretty, nice little metallic color when the sun pops out. It's got your front sensors. We'll go over here and cheat a little bit. Look at the window sticker. Again, all our window stickers are viewable on our webpage, sherrychrysler.com. Find this vehicle, and down below under pictures, click view window sticker. You can see the exact window sticker as we're online, as we're seeing it right now. This is the limited Pacifica hybrid. This has the 20 speaker Harman Kardon sound system. This also has the 360 view cameras, rain sensing windshield wipers, full speed forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control, advanced brake assist, Uconnect theater with wireless streaming, Blu-ray DVD player, tri-pane panoramic moonroof, key sense, if fuel economy and the hybrid technology is important to you, these get a combined total of 85 miles per gallon. Actually, I'm sorry, 84 miles per gallon. 1 mile off. Again, these all have rear backup camera, rear backup sensors. Very nice vehicle, fun to drive, and hybrid technology. Got your speakers on your camera, your video screens that pop up here. Again, this is a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid Limited. Combined total of 84 miles per gallon. And this is featured in velvet red. If you have any questions on this beautiful vehicle or on any beautiful vehicle you see on the lot or on the internet, please do not hesitate to give me a call at 1-800-678-4188. Again, my name is Kevin Piqua from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram pickup truck. As always, thank you for giving us an opportunity. Have a beautiful day.